So today I decided to clean the car. It is not very dirty, but pretty much dusty. So let's get the car cleaned. Yeah, that's the main agenda of today. Very hot day, so best to clean the car as soon as possible. There's some construction work going on at the back, that's why all this noise is there, so please excuse the construction noise. Yeah, I think let's get started with the cleaning. I am actually using this LAKEROL. Let's see, this is the first time I'm trying this out on this particular car. It says that you will get a very nice waxy finish. So this is going to be the product review of the LAKEROL car wash for on the Verna. Okay, so what I really like to do, or how I really like to apply this solution is, I don't directly like to apply it onto add it to the water and make it froth. So what I prefer to do is, technical difficulties, don't do this. Okay, I like to put it onto the cloth. It gives me better lather. Okay, so now I have completely soaked the car with the soap solution. Now I'm just going to completely wash it off, and let's see how the car looks like once we have washed it. Let's see how the car looks like once we have washed it. Okay, so the car seems to be really clean now from what it was looking before. Definitely smells a lot better. This is the first car shampoo that I have used which is having so much of fragrance. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to dry it down, and then let's just have a close-up look of how clean it actually is. So we have finished cleaning the car. It is pretty clean. I mean, I'm not going to lie that this product is fairly good. But have I used better products? Yes, I have definitely used better products. But it's just 5 rupees a sachet, and I think it does a fairly good job. Look, you can actually see the shine of the car. It's given a, I mean, it's got a really nice shine to it, but yeah, like I said, I've used better products, but overall I'm satisfied. I give it a 5 out of 10. Yeah, coming back to this, there are some things about this solution. It doesn't get off the dirt, like the really hard dirt. It just doesn't go off. So that's something that I noticed that this particular car wash does not handle, although it does make it quite shiny. For example, look, there is another speck which just doesn't go off. So hope you guys really like a review of this product. If you did, please drop a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I shall see you again in another video. Peace.